Did you know? By 2012, your customers will have enjoyed in total 120 million healthy days with wellness. During 2010, you made 35 million lips smile. That's more than one smile per second. 20 million women and men have worn the GG fragrance and felt more elegant and sophisticated. And because of you, 100 million families have traveled to exotic destinations with their senses when showering with the Discovery range. 254 million feet are happier, softer, and more moisturized. If all those feet were to be put after each other, it would be enough to go around the world twice. All this because of you. Thank you.